Hello, and welcome to DreamLadder Capital's Equity Market Update. Let's dive into the top stories driving the global markets today. U.S. stocks closed lower on Tuesday, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite leading the decline, down 1%, while the S&P 500 and Dow slipped 0.8% each. The semiconductor sector took a hit as concerns over the broader chip market escalated. ASML Holding shares plunged 16% after cutting its 2025 guidance, and Nvidia dropped 4.5% following reports of U.S. officials considering sales caps on advanced AI chips to certain countries. On the earnings front, about 40 S&P 500 companies have reported third-quarter results, and so far, 80% have beaten expectations, according to FactSet. Market watchers expect a volatile market activity due to the ongoing earnings season and the presidential election. Still, investors are the most bullish in 4 years, according to the October BofA Global Fund Manager Survey. They're also optimistic about the economy, as 74% of investors believe the U.S. will avoid a recession. Meanwhile, Asian markets followed Wall Street's decline. Japan's Nikkei dropped the most at 1.7%, followed by South Korea's Kospi down 0.9%, and Australia's ASX 200, which fell 0.4%. Oil prices plunged recently after reports that Israel might avoid targeting Iran's crude infrastructure. Today, Brent crude edged up 0.35% to $74.5 a barrel, while gold held steady at $2.79 an ounce. Looking ahead, investors are eyeing Morgan Stanley's earnings report today, and later in the week, we'll get U.S. retail sales, jobless claims, and industrial production data on Thursday. The ECB rate decision is also scheduled for Thursday, and U.S. housing starts will be announced on Friday. Here in India, the Nifty 50 fell 0.28%, while the Sensex slipped 0.19%, largely due to a decline in Reliance Industries, which reported lower than expected Q2 earnings. Reliance alone contributed to a 37-point drop in the Nifty. Global market weakness, unimpressive Q2 results, and inflation concerns weighed on sentiment. However, falling crude oil prices provided some relief. Among sectors, Nifty Metal dropped 1.44% and Nifty Auto declined 0.83%, while the Nifty Realty Index jumped 2%. Mid-cap and small-cap stocks bucked the trend, with the BSE Mid-Cap up 0.25% and the BSE Small-Cap up 1.5%. HDFC Life Insurance Co.'s net profit rose 15% year-on-year in Q2 FY25 quarter, but missed the analysts' estimate. The insurer posted a net profit of 433 crore as compared to the consensus estimate of 543 crore. The value of new business, VNB, grew 17% YOY to 938 crore. However, the VNB margin compressed 200 BPS YOY to 24.3%. Largely due to changes in the product mix and delay in repricing of non-par products, driving the stock sell-off yesterday. Driven by a balanced product mix, strong brand and distribution network, and product innovation, HDFC Life is well poised to deliver profitable growth amid implementation of new surrender regulations. HDFC AMC's revenues surged 38% year-over-year and 14% in Q2 FY25, mirroring AUM growth. AUM growth of 38% year-over-year and 10% QOQ. Blended revenue yield is up 2% QOQ to 46 BPS, thanks to a stronger equity mix, which has gone up by 100 BPS to 66%, and commission cuts effective from August month. Hence, the full impact of commission cuts is expected to be fully visible in Q3 FY25. Despite a dip in 1Y fund performance in select funds, flows have stayed firm with stable 3Y and 5Y returns. KEI Industries Limited's standalone net profit rose 11% year-on-year in the Q2 quarter, missing analysts' expectations. Its net profit came at 155 crore as against the street's estimate of around 167 crore. Revenue came at 2280 crore, largely in line with the consensus estimates, while there was miss on EBITDA margin, which contracted to 9.7% in Q2 FY25 from 10.4% earlier, as against the street's estimate of 10.6%. Cochin Shipyard. The government will sell up to 5% stake in Cochin Shipyard via an offer for sale on October 16 and 17. The floor price has been set at Rs 150.40 per share, 8% discount to yesterday's closing price of Rs 1673. OFS includes base offer of 2.5% and green shoe option of 2.5%. This stock is down almost 80% from its peak of 29.80 hit in July. PNC Infratech has bagged 2 letters of acceptance from the Maharashtra State Road Development Corp. for contracts worth 4,630 crore. Foreign portfolio investors remained net sellers for the 12th straight session, offloading Rs 1,749 crore of Indian equities. In contrast, domestic institutional investors stayed net buyers for the 16th session, purchasing 1,655 crore worth of stocks. Lastly, the GIFT Nifty is trading 75 points lower from its previous close of 25,112. That's it for today's update. Stay tuned for more insights, and don't forget to subscribe to DreamLadder Capital for the latest market news and analysis.